Clean keto calls for eating organic versions of foods. The clean keto diet has gained significant popularity recently as a modified version of the traditional ketogenic diet. This dietary approach combines the keto diet principles, emphasizing consuming organic food choices. Clean keto focuses on achieving the metabolic state of ketosis while promoting the consumption of high-quality, nutrient-dense, and organic foods. What is clean keto? Clean keto, a variation of the traditional ketogenic diet, focuses on achieving ketosis and the quality of food consumed. It involves replacing processed and low-quality foods with organic, nutrient-rich alternatives. The importance of organic foods. Organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides, genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and artificial fertilizers. They are cultivated in environmentally friendly ways, promoting better soil health and biodiversity. Benefits of clean keto with organic foods. Clean keto emphasizes consuming organic foods due to their higher nutrient content. Organic fruits, vegetables, and animal products have more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants than their conventionally grown counterparts. Making the switch. How to incorporate organic foods. Transitioning to clean keto involves gradually replacing non-organic foods with organic ones. Start by focusing on staple foods like organic meats, eggs, dairy products, and vegetables. Meal planning and organic ingredients. Meal planning is crucial for clean keto's success. Incorporate various organic ingredients into your meal plans to ensure a well-rounded, nutrient-dense diet. Navigating challenges and finding organic options. Finding organic options might be challenging in some areas. However, farmers markets, local organic stores, and online platforms can be valuable sources for obtaining organic ingredients. Clean keto-friendly organic snack ideas. Organic nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt, and low-carb vegetables make excellent clean keto snacks. They provide energy and keep you satisfied between meals. Staying mindful of food labels. Reading food labels is essential to identify truly organic products. Look for certifications such as the USDA Organic Seal to ensure authenticity. Clean keto recipes with organic ingredients. Explore recipes that combine clean keto principles with organic ingredients. The options are diverse and delicious, from organic avocado salads to grass-fed beef stir-fries. The sustainability aspect of clean keto. Clean keto's emphasis on organic foods supports sustainable agricultural practices, reducing the environmental impact of conventional farming methods. Exercise and clean keto, a balanced approach. Pairing clean keto with regular exercise can enhance its benefits. Engage in cardiovascular activities, strength training, and flexibility workouts. Common misconceptions about clean keto. Addressing misconceptions like clean keto being overly restrictive helps individuals understand the flexibility and variety this dietary approach offers. Clean keto offers a promising approach to achieving ketosis while prioritizing consuming organic, nutrient-rich foods. You can embark on a journey towards improved health and well-being by making conscious choices and incorporating organic ingredients into your meals.